Hey Ankit, I am looking at my laptop screen and realizing it is getting quite late. Do you know what time the computer lab closes tonight?
Hi Rahul. I am not entirely sure about the exact closing hour, but let me check our Digital Institute schedule.
Thanks. There's a large clock hanging on the back wall, but I cannot see the minutes clearly from my desk.
Hold on, I am looking at it now. What time is it exactly on your laptop screen right now?
My computer screen shows it is exactly 7:15, so we might have another hour of study left.
According to the official notice, the computer lab closes at 8:30 during the summer session.
Oh, that is perfect. It is 7:30 on the wall clock right now, which means we have exactly 60 minutes.
Great. That gives me enough time to complete this difficult database module before we have to leave the room.
Don't rush your work too much. Every single minute counts when you are debugging complex code scripts.
You are completely right. I will focus on this logic error for another half hour and then pack my things.
By the way, does the digital clock near the server room show the same hour as the main wall clock?
No, that digital display is actually 5 minutes fast compared to the time on my smartphone.
That is strange. We should always follow the main office clock for the official closing time of the center.
Yes, because the lab assistant always checks his own watch before locking the main exit doors.
What time is your personal target to finish saving your project progress?
I want to save everything at exactly 8 o'clock so we can review our daily code data together.
That sounds like an excellent plan. Let me know if you need any assistance during this remaining hour.
Thank you, Rahul. I will definitely ask you for help if I get stuck on this programming loop.
Perfect. I am monitoring the time closely so we do not miss our final submission deadline tonight.
Awesome. Let's keep working productively until it is 8:30.
Hey Ankit, look at the monitor screen again. What time is it now according to your system?
My system says it is 7:35, so 20 minutes have passed incredibly quickly.
Wow, time really flies when you are fully focused on your software development blocks.
Yes, it does. I didn't even notice the hour changing on the bottom taskbar.
The notice board says the weekend hours are different. Does the facility close early on Saturday?
Yes, on Saturday the computer lab closes at 4:30 in the afternoon.
That is much earlier than our weekday schedule. We must plan our weekend study sessions properly.
Definitely, because losing an entire hour of lab time can seriously disrupt our project timeline.
Let me ask you something for my English practice. How do you say 8:30 using the traditional clock style?
You should say it is 8:30, which means 30 minutes have passed after the hour of 8.
Ah, I see. So if the clock shows 9:30, I should say it is 9:30.
Exactly. You are learning these useful time phrases very quickly.
Thank you. Let's check the old wall clock again to make sure our systems are on track.
The long hand is on the number 6, so it is officially 7:30 right now.
Wait, if the long hand is on the 6, then it is exactly 30 minutes past the hour.
Yes, that is correct. It is 7:30, which means we still have an hour before they close.
Got it. My mistake. I am still getting used to reading this traditional analog clock on the wall.
Don't worry about it. Modern digital displays make us lazy readers of old clocks.
True. Let's allocate the next 15 minutes to finishing the main user registration configuration.
Agreed. Let's complete this setup phase before the next hour begins.
The second hand is ticking continuously. What time is it now on your device, Ankit?
It is exactly 8:15, which means we only have 15 minutes until 8:30.
The lab assistant is already standing near the main door and checking his master keys.
Yes, he looks completely ready to close the facility for the night.
I am saving my database file changes right now so I do not lose any critical progress.
I am pushing my code to the repository too. Every single minute matters at this point.
Do you want to grab some hot dinner after the Institute lab closes tonight?
That sounds wonderful. What time do you usually eat your evening meal?
I usually eat dinner at 9:30, so we have plenty of time after leaving this room.
Perfect. That gives us an hour to relax and talk about our next web application project.
Look at the screen. The network icon just turned yellow. Is your connection still working?
No, my internet disconnected because it is almost closing time in the lab.
The Institute system automatically disables the Wi-Fi 5 minutes before they lock the doors.
That is a very smart way to tell the remaining students that the study hour is over.
Yes, it is a very clear signal. Let's shut down our main laptops completely now.
I am turning off my system now. What time is it on the wall clock at this moment?
It is exactly 29 minutes past 8, so we literally have 1 minute left.
The wall clock is hitting 8:30 right now. Let's stand up from our chairs.
Let's grab our backpacks and head towards the exit gate. Take care of your laptop.
Yes, everything is packed safely inside my bag. Good night, Rahul. Let's go.